Many people are expecting a correction in Nifty right now and are hesitating to invest at these levels merely because of the fact that Nifty has came from levels of 7,500 to levels of 18,000 plus in a mere span of 18 to 20 months. Others are expecting a crash. I see people just load puts, monthly puts, swing puts into their accounts. 10,000 is coming, saying 9,000 is coming and whatnot. And amidst all of this, I have a very different view about markets. So let's understand what my view is, why I am expecting that to happen, and what are the logics behind it. So without any further ado, let's begin. So my view amidst all of this correction and crash talks is basically very bullish view. Now I'll tell you why. It is not about technicals, so I'm not going to share my screen and tell you why, because it has nothing to do with technicals. On the chart, yes, the move of Nifty actually looks like a bit of overstretched move, but it is all a psychological game. Like, what do you think markets are? Markets are basically there to trap the reflection of mass emotion. So whatever the mass is thinking, it's basically going to do opposite of that. So what people are thinking right now about markets is that the market is overpriced, market must correct, market can go to like 15,000 levels, 14,000 levels, and then we can invest over there. So just think about it. If everyone is thinking about a crash, if everyone is thinking about a good healthy 10 to 15%, 20% correction, why will market ever do that? Like, markets always have the tendency of fishing people and going exactly the opposite way of what people are thinking, what people are assuming. So it is merely because of the psychological effect that I am thinking that so many people, even on Twitter, YouTube, and in general, are bearish on markets right now, but that is exactly the reason why I am bullish. So until what levels am I bullish? See, the levels I cannot tell because technically there's absolutely nothing to plot. There's no Fibonacci to help. There's nothing to help. But we can say that 20,000, 22,000 and 25,000 are coming very soon. Now you might say, hey Shrish, this is impossible because like 18 to 25,000 is like 7,000 point move and it is not coming that easy. Well, it might actually be the very opposite, that so many people are bearish right now just because of 4 consecutive days in markets, 4 consecutive red days in markets. They are going bearish. This is profit booking and this is correction. Hey, just buy puts and whatnot. Everything is going on. So I don't think markets are really going to correct at this point, although they need to. There's a real need of correcting. A healthy correction is needed, but just because everyone is expecting a correction, that is exactly the reason why I am not expecting a correction. Because if everyone knows the markets are going to correct, and if the market correct at that particular point of time, then probably everyone will make money, and that is not how market operates. So many people are getting that, hey, I'm bearish on markets, I'm waiting for a correction. Stocks, let the stocks cool down by 20-30% and then I'll invest. Let the index cool down by 15%, 20% and then I'll invest. But I don't think so. I don't think so that's happening. I might be very wrong. Because if you look at the chart, it absolutely looks overstretched at this point, but markets are like that. Like, at any point you feel that this cannot happen, that might be the very thing that happen next. So I cannot tell that I am completely right or anything of that sort. I cannot guarantee about it. I have the right to be wrong, but this is my analysis based on the psychology of the people that is currently going on in markets. That's everyone's just bearish about markets, expecting them to correct to 16-15,000 levels. No, I don't think that's coming. I can be wrong, but ultimately I see Nifty heading to 22,000 and 25,000 levels in the very short term, like not immediately in 2 months or so. But yeah, in under 15 months, we might see like really 22,000, 25,000 levels might be on the cards, merely because of the fact that people are expecting a correction. And just because 18,000, let's say the correction is not happening now, let's say the markets turn upside and just again reach 19,000. So people are not going to leave that thought of correction just yet, because the market looks overstretched to each and everyone. People are going to have that thought of correction in their mind for a while. So even if the markets reach 19,000 or so, people are going to have that thought of that, hey, markets might correct now, who knows. and in this waiting period of correction they are going to miss huge opportunities, because that is how market operates. It makes people wait, and eventually does not let them enter into markets at any point, because when the markets fall, as the crash we saw of 2020 was so humongous that no one dared to enter markets, and when it was actually the time to enter markets, and now the you can ride the momentum and the trend, the chance is there. Now people think that hey, it is overpriced and we are not going to invest. So markets will not allow you to make money. That is how they operate. But that is exactly why you have to think like a professional, because if you are thinking like a retailer, you're probably going to get trapped. So don't think like a retailer, think like an operator, think like a professional, and there's a better chance for you to make money in markets. So what is the conclusion of this video? Well, yeah, I am expecting some good uptrend in Nifty to continue. I am not expecting correction. The reason is, as I discussed, merely because of the fact that everyone else is bearish. This is basically a contra thinking, but it works for me. At least in intraday basis, I have not been into investing for long, so I don't know about investing. But yeah, the overall trend I'm talking about, that psychological things work into market, and this trend might just continue. This bull run, the great bull run, might just continue to 25,000 levels, and they might be on the cards pretty soon. Like in 15 to 18 months we can see 25,000 on Nifty. And what happens then is, probably when everyone is just bullish, so markets have this tendency of going opposite way. So when each and every person removes the thought of correction from their mind, that is exactly when the markets will actually correct. So that is how the markets operate. You can just have a look at historical charts and get an idea of how markets operate. But yeah, this is just a psychological factor. There's nothing to analyze on the charts, because there's nothing to help on the charts, to be honest. The chart does look overstretched and it does need correction at this point, a good healthy correction, but merely because of the fact that people are negative, people are bearish on the markets, I don't think the correction is coming. So I hope you liked this video, I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, then make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, because I keep coming back with all these videos that relate to trading and market. And keep watching my other videos as well, because there's a lot of content there and you can learn a lot out of it. So until then, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care, peace out.